Hello everyone, this is Neeraj Yadav and you are watching this video on TechSol, and today I am going to teach you that how you can configure SSH on your router, or how you can take the remote connection with a secure way via SSH. So let's do it. Let's go to that router where you want to configure the SSH. Let's do it. First at all, go to the configuration mode. I am already in the configuration mode. So firstly you have to create a database, okay, with a username or with a password. So let's do it. Write the command username. I am giving TechSol. Then write password, and I am giving the password Cisco. Press enter. Now we need to configure the line VTY, because SSH use the line VTY, which is virtual teletype line. So I'm going to configure the line VTY. Write the command line VTY 0. There are total 16 lines from 0 to 15. I am going to configure the line VTY 0. It means at one time only one people can take the access of the router. Press enter. Give a password to the line VTY 0. Write the command password and then give a password. Okay. Now we have to write a command login. As we all know that line VTY is by default set to login, but here we are going to login using the local database, so you have to write login local. Then press enter. Now come outside the line VTY interface. Now we have to generate a key, a crypto key, because SSH is a secure way to take the access and it use a key to encrypt the data. So we have to generate a key, and before that we have to generate a domain. So for that we have to write a command IP domain name I am making a domain techsol.com. Now write a command to generate the key, which is crypto key generate using RSA. Then press enter, and here it's asking that how much long you want to generate key, and by default it is 512. So I want to generate key using some 1024. Press enter, and here we done it. And one another thing, that we need a enable password, a privilege level password to use the SSH. So write the command enable secret and give the password. So let's go to the another router, and now I will show you that how it works. Go to the router, and one another thing, that you can take access via your computer also. So it's not required that you can only take access via router. Okay, so here I am showing you via router, how you can take access via router, but the command will be same in both the places. Okay, so write the command SSH -L. Here L stands for the local database. It means we are using the local database to authenticate. Then give that username by which you want to take the access, and the username was, if you remember, Texol. And then give the IP address of that particular router from which you want to take the remote access, and the router IP address is it's showing that it's open. It means line VTY is open, and it's asking for the password, and the password is, here we are in the user exec mode, and to go to the privilege exec mode we have to write enable, and it's asking for the privilege level password which is mandatory, and the password was, and now we are in the privilege exec mode. Okay, and to go to the configuration mode here, so here you can configure your router, or you can do whatever you want to do via the remote access using SSH. So this was the video that how you can configure the SSH on a router and how you can take access using SSH. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like videos, and keep watching my videos. Bye bye, see you in the next video.